What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And reports are leading up to the new leaked Samsung Galaxy A13, which we do have two different variants launching in the near future, the 4G model and the 5G version, in four different colors: the black, blue, white, and red. And all of these colors are going to be available in separate regions. We're not sure which ones yet, but according to the model numbers, we have the SM-A13 5F and the SM-A13 6B. And leading up to these speculations, it's rumored that the screens and the displays will be 6.4 inches full HD LCD display with three configurations: 4 GB, 6 GB, and 8 GB, with a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. And expected to be rumored as well is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery with 25 watts fast charging on the up and coming and expected A13. So it's going to be an upgrade over the A12, which was released in November 2020. So these specs are an upgraded version over the A12 model, which we did see debut on November 20th. And with the three configurations, the 4, the 6, and the 8, it's going to be pretty cool, especially since they're going to go ahead and they're going to pair it along with a more powerful chip, which is an upgrade from the P35, which was on the A12 last year. But now we're going to be getting the MediaTek Density 700 processor, as well as Android 11 OS on board. So as far as those cameras, they're going to be upgraded from the A12. They're going to be the 50, the 5, the 2, and another 2 for depth sensor, as well as the 8 megapixel on the front. So as far as any official announcements from Samsung, we are still waiting to hear about these devices, but it's pretty cool to just check out some of the renders and some of the leaks that we have been coming to the forefront with, and like letting us know that this device is going to be, an upgrade, global launch, the successor to the very popular and very, world-renowned A series A12, which is definitely pretty cool. So it's going to also have a higher tier, the A33 5G, the A53 is expected as well, along with the newly released A13. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'm going to get right back with you. I'm going to show up in the comment section and answer all your questions. But later, group. Peace.